Hey there, amazing folks of the internet. Ever stop and think that whoa, this world is changing crazy fast? Well, you're on spot because this is a fast growing world where we live in. And guess what? Today we are going to take a deep dive into one of the coolest things which is shaking it up.
Blockchain.
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 Now hold on a sec, don't let the name scare you. Think of it like a super smart digital ledger, which is not owned by just one person or a company. It is more like a team of digital superheroes working together. Yeah, I said superheroes because these are changing the game big time. You know, whenever you buy stuffs or send things online, usually there is a middleman who makes that transaction possible and also keeps the record of transactions into somewhere. Later, that information can be accessed by the administrator, or maybe the data manipulation can also be performed by the administrator. So, this is not really reliable, right? Well, in that case, we need some sort of system which is decentralized so that the manipulation of data is next to impossible. That's where the blockchain technology comes in. So this technology is like a super smart digital ledger which keep tracks of all the digital transactions or records and spread it across a bunch of computers. Now the blockchain technology actually came out around the 90s, but it was implemented by an anonymous developer named Satoshi Nakamoto, who invented Bitcoin with the help of blockchain to make secure and transparent payments without needing of banks. Now speaking of bitcoins, let me tell you how blockchain works in bitcoins or any other cryptocurrencies. Let's take Bitcoin as an example. Now, unlike paper money, Bitcoin cannot be duplicated because every single Bitcoin has its own unique code. And this unique code is shared with the next record in the blockchain, which results in lowering the risk of corruption and counterfeiting. Now, all the records of Bitcoins are now spread across many computers, which can also be called nodes. It's not just about the money though. Many companies use blockchain technology for supply tracking, also ensuring the authenticity of the products. In healthcare, the patient records and the diagnostics are stored on the blockchain securely. But in these cases, only the authorized users can only access those records. As you can see, there is a graphical representation of a blockchain. In between every single block of records, there is a chain. This chain is the link between each block. The starting block is always called the genesis block. Now, let's understand what are the three information a single block stores. The first one is data. Now, in a blockchain, data refers to the information or transactions that are being recorded in a specific block. This could include details about transactions, smart contracts, or any other information relevant to the specific use case of the blockchain. The second one is hash. A hash is a fixed size alphanumeric string generated by a hash function. The hash is like a unique fingerprint for all the blocks present inside a blockchain. Now lastly, there is previous hash. It connects the blocks in a chronological sequence, and every single blocks in the blockchain will not only carry the individual hashes, but it will also carry the hash of previous block. Like you can see, the block 2 is carrying Genesis block's hash and the block 3 is carrying the block 2's hash, and so it goes. In summary, data is what's in a block, like information or transactions. Hash is what's generated from the information of the block's data, which is more like a unique code. Previous hash is the link between two blocks where one block contains the information of the previous block, and this goes on in preceding manner, making a securing blockchain. Some other features of blockchain are: number 1, consensus mechanism. Blockchain uses consensus mechanism to validate transactions and add them to the chain. Common mechanisms include proof of work, which is used by Bitcoin, and proof of stake. These mechanisms ensure agreement on the validity of transaction among the nodes. Number 2, immutability. Once a block is added to the chain, it is almost impossible to alter. Changing information in one block will result in changing the information of other subsequent blocks, which will require consensus from the majority of the network. This makes the blockchain tamper resistant. Number 3. Smart contracts. Now, blockchain often supports smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts with terms directly coded into it. These contracts automatically executes and enforces the predefined rules and regulations, further automating the process. And lastly, number 4. Cryptographic security. Cryptography plays a crucial role in securing transactions and controlling access. Private keys and public keys enables secure digital signature, ensuring that only authorized parties can participate in transactions. Now let me tell you why blockchain is crucial for developers. Blockchain is essential for developers as it provides a secure digital framework for applications. With features like smart contracts, developers can automate the processes and reduce the reliance on the intermediaries. Their transparency and immutability makes it suitable for a blockchain requiring applications data integrity. Developers can use blockchain to create cryptocurrencies, build decentralized applications, and also participate in collaborative innovation. Additionally, they can explore applications like supply chain tracking, record keeping, and experimenting apps. By leveraging blockchain technology, a developer can design and implement solutions that are secure, transparent, and at the forefront of innovation. In conclusion, for all the developers who are venturing into the dynamic world of blockchain, the possibilities are vast. Whether you're crafting the next cryptocurrency, building decentralized applications, or exploring novel solutions in collaboration with different communities, blockchain provides a powerful canvas for innovation. Embrace the opportunities to revolutionize industries, automate processes, and contribute to the evolution of technology. That's the future of reshaping the digital transaction and beyond. If you like this video, please consider giving it a like. Also subscribe to the channel for more tech and education related content. Thank you everyone.